guys, Ilocana YouTubers. Ayan, mangingisda po kami. Mangingisda. Manood kayo ha. Mangisda kami, mangisda. Small tiny fish, we call it menos. Then we're gonna catch some bigger one. Just keep on waiting. May isda din dyan. Manood muna kayo ng mga ano. Ayan o, mga bangka. Habang nangingisda. Ayan, lumipat tayo. Mangingisda ulit. isda. Isda, ano, isda, ano. Oh, ito naman na ano. Nairangot, nairangot. I stop. Fish. Hello guys, I have a fish. Hello, fishy. Ayan, nandun yung mga isda. Nandun sila, oh. Ayan, maraming isda, maraming isda. Uy, kinain. Oh, goodness. I got another one, guys. Another one, guys. Another fish. Ayan, makakarami tayo ng isda ngayon. Hindi ko pa nga na-release yung isa eh. Isa na naman. Ayun, mahirap i-release. Magbilang tayo mamaya. Ay, lagay ko sila dito. Ay. Yan. Lalagay ko sila dito. Tapos bibilangin natin mamaya. Kung ilan ang nakuha natin isda. Ayan. Ayan, may gagamitin tayo dito. Ayan, very fast. Isa dyan. Don't die. Stop it. Stop jumping. Ito. I-ano mo lang. I forgot what they call. But this is very fast. To take off the hook in there. They're not gonna hurt the fish. See? Gonna be good day, guys. Good day. Good fishing. Ayan. Oops, nagka-bulog sila. Huwag kayong nagpulog dyan. Ayan, nagpulog. Kasi mahina na yung mata ko. Hindi ko tayo makikita. Nagpulog tayo dyan. Ayan. Okay, are you ready to catch some fish? Isda sa Tennessee, guys. Maraming isda dito sa Tennessee. Okay guys, tapos na tayong nangisda. May 6 tayong nakuha. May 6 fish tayong nakuha. I-release natin, guys. Kasi ayaw kong magluto itong mga isda na to. This type of fish pwedeng i-keep. It can be keeper. Kaso lang, I don't like to cook. So, i-release na lang natin. Okay? Release natin. Isa-isa. Okay. Let's release the fish. Pakita ko muna doon. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Ayan. Bye-bye, fish. Isa. Ito maganda siya. Uy, patay na yata to. Ayan, maganda. Let's release. Release. There you go. Bye-bye. Oh, hindi siya patay. Buhay. Ito rin. Maganda rin. I think it's like bluegill or cracker fish. Pwedeng i-keep itong keeper siya, kaso lang I don't like to cook. So we gonna release it. Okay. Bye fish. Bye-bye. Three. Okay, this one also. She need to go. Okay. Are you dead? I think this is dead. Are you dead? I think that is dead. Sorry guys. Guys, hindi to patay kasi tumatalsik oh. Yan, fish. Fishy, die. Fishy. Catch and release tayo ngayon. I don't want to release you. Ang ganda maglaro ito. Release. Catch release. I release it. And it's gone. It's gone. One more. One more fish to be released. It's fun to release a fish, guys. And it's fun to catch them too. Okay guys, let's release them, okay? Release the fish. Oh, that one. I'm sorry, guys. I don't want to release it. I can't. He's gone. Like, let me go. Okay guys, no more. It's fun catching fish today. Thank you so much for watching, and keep on watching Ilocano YouTubers. She loves fishing. Bye bye guys.